Attention trainees. Follow the markings on the floor to your X2 trainer and begin boarding now.
Surgeon, how are we doing?
Panel closing.
Authorized for launch.
If needed, space sickness bags.
A reminder, Commander. Your assignments are to activate flight sequence, and for landing, activate manual control.
Loading flight plan.
Engineer, just a reminder. You will activate the flight cameras when we reach altitude. You will also extend the wings for landing. Good luck, team. All of us here at Mission Control wish you a safe journey around the planet.
Mission Control, this is the fire signal. Give us the go for launch. Eagle, Surgeon, network, you are go for launch. We have main engine start. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. Mission Control, the tower is clear. They're all yours.
Mission Control to X2. You are go at throttle up. Pilot, initiate first stage separation. Now.
Computer override initiated.
Commander, initiate flight sequence. Now.
Computer override initiated.
Navigator, initiate thrusters to adjust edge. Now.
Computer override initiated.
Engineer, activate flight camera. Now.
Computer override initiated.
Your flight path today is taking you across the United States, past the Grand Canyon, and leaving the continent at San Francisco. The space station should be coming into view. And down on Earth, the Hawaiian Islands. In a moment, you'll be crossing paths with another X2, just launched from the Pacific. Up ahead, you should see Japan, the land of the rising sun. As you cross into China, you'll pass Beijing, the Great Wall, and we've got reports of a storm brewing over the Gobi Desert. Passing over the Himalayas, you should have a gorgeous night view of India. By now, you're over the Middle East, and to the left is the Nile River, snaking its way toward Cairo and the Mediterranean. You should be seeing Greece and Italy. And up ahead, Paris, the city of light. Tonight, there's a spectacular northern light show on your horizon.
We're getting reports of a strong storm cell directly in the landing pad.
Okay, listen up, team. Change of plans. It's going to be a challenging approach, and we'll need all of you working together. Pilot, initiate landing sequence. Now.
Computer override initiated.
Navigator, initiate descent. Now.
Computer override rockets fired.
Engineer, extend wings for gliding. Now.
Computer override wings extended.
Commander, activate manual control. Now.
Computer override activated.
All right. Now left. Right. Left. Back to center. Hold it steady.
They're coming in too hot.
Pull back. Down and clear. Mission accomplished. Good work, team. Welcome back to Earth. And welcome to the astronaut tour.
Okay. Head back. Releasing restraints. Now push the restraints on. Be sure to gather all your belongings and follow the arrows out.